Basa dito.
Always.
No.
Snow. Ito.
Consistent.
Okay,
Glow.
very good.
Grow.
Recite 1 Corinthians 16.
Glow.
Crow.
1 Corinthians
Throw.
Glow.
Binato na.
Glow.
Binato na. Ito, ibon. Throw.
be added.
Grow.
Okay, go ahead.
Mag-grow.
Recite.
Ito.
Recite.
Owen.
1 Corinthians chapter 15 verse 15. Therefore, my beloved brethren, be ye steadfast, unmovable,
Moon. Ito.
always abounding
No.
in the work of the Lord. 1 Corinthians chapter 15 verse 15.
No.
Soon.
Okay, thank you, Mr.
So, ayun yung ino.
My initial
So,
J-L-E-L.
Thank you, Bob.
Flow.
Yes, John
Very good.
Callen, how can I ask?
Blow.
Okay, this is for your work. You have the
Very
score
good.
already.
Galing.
Okay, what phase are you working right now?
Social studies
Drone.
Glow.
Okay, wait a few minutes. Yes, Kendra, how can I ask?
Snow. Oh, sulatin mo na. Hina mo yung kamay mo. Ganyan na naman. Paguhin mo yung kamay mo. Hindi ka masasanay. Nakikita mo ba yung mga kaklase mo? Ganyan ba magsulat? Ha?
Ito na madulas.
Sige.
O, diba?
Hindi naman eh. Hindi naman eh. Hindi mo kasi sinasanay eh. Ay, wala ka ng reward. Sige na Emma. Baguhin mo sula yung kamay mo.
Okay.
Ito pambura. Okay, fine. Ba't ganyan ka magbura? Okay, fine. I love you. I love you. Hello, ba't ganyan? Ayusin mo sulat mo.